Okay, Prithviraj only joined.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. So you joined alone, so nobody else. Or so you you for your class like last week I had a like doubt clearing session. Nobody joined, so you guys don't have
Uh,
any doubt or anything.
yes, sir. Actually, I'm sorry about that, sir. Like, I saw the message later, sir. Like, I didn't check the mails that day on Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I had a couple of questions.
Yes. Yes.
So regarding this material, so like I had a doubt, like for example, in the reference image, like there is this text, right, which says cafe in the over the building. Like, my question is, sir, like, how do I, like, if I had to mix both Photoshop and Substance Painter, like, how do I actually do that? Like, the
Like,
same textures
why you
together.
want to do that? Like, what you want to create? Tell me that. I will so that I'll tell you a solution.
Like, sir, for now I figured it out, sir. But like, I was thinking, like, if there is something like I had to use Photoshop, like, and also Substance Painter, like, how would I go about doing it, sir? Like to create a texture or something.
Okay. Let me see. So, like, suppose you have that cafe and you
Yes,
want to
sir.
write a text, something, create that text.
Yes, sir.
And so, because in Substance you cannot type it, so you
Yes,
want
sir.
to create that in Photoshop and bring it into Substance. This is
Yes.
what you asked, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes.
so I'll show that. No problem.
Yes.
Let's see where is the file. Yeah, this one. Open. Just switch off rest of the things. Just keep it optimized. So,
Yes.
suppose you want to write something here, right?
Yes.
And in Substance you don't have that option. Let's see. Previously it was, there was a one option. Let's see. Mm, create. I just created this layer. That option is not there. Alpha. Under alpha we have a lot of text and everything. Alpha and textures. Let me see. So we have all this text, right? This is like presets. So
Yes, sir.
if presets, you can see there is no option, no way to modify it,
Yes, sir.
right? I cannot do it. So now I need a text here. Let's see. I want to add a cafe, right? So I'll go to Photoshop. Basically, I need a fancy text because this is a very flat and simple this thing. And if I want a very fancy cafe sign or symbol or something, so how to do it? We'll do it. It's not very complicated. I'll explain the entire process.
Yes, sir.
My Photoshop open. Okay. So create new 10. So I'll take a 10 and whenever you're creating any texture, make sure use a square template. Okay, always.
Yes, sir.
So let's see. I want to type a cafe. So default is you have to basically idea is you have to create a alpha. You have to create a pattern. So you can see in Substance everything is black and white. The main shape is white and rest everything is black. So similar manner
Yes.
you have to create that thing here. So let's fill it black. and text white and click text, and I write cafe, increase it, keep it in center. If you keep it in center, it will be easy. So
Yes.
like, but I don't want this font. I want something fancy. So let's see, like something, something like
Sir,
this.
Devashish is trying to join it seems, but he's not able to. Like he's asking to send the link, sir. Okay.
Okay. Like I sent a mail, right? So that link only you're supposed to use. Okay, just 1 second. I'll update it.
Yes, sir.
Where is my Zoom meeting link? G8204 link. Okay. I just mailed it for you to your entire group. I mailed it.
Yes.
So now Photoshop, I created this thing, and let's see, I want to make it perfectly center. So Control J, select these two and center, center. So it's perfect center, right? Click this, center align, perfectly aligned. Now it's a black and white text. So now if I select everything, merge it, save, desktop, you can save it as a TGA, save it as a JPEG, or save it as a PSD also. So everything works. So
Yes.
let's save it as a JPEG. This is my cafe. So name it properly and desktop, save, saved it. Now open Substance, and this is your cafe. Drop, drag, drop it here, and this is your texture. Okay, you can see you have alpha also. I can use it as alpha also. This is basically alpha.
Alpha.
So instead of texture, I can use alpha, or I can use alpha texture also. Both works. So I use it
Good
as
afternoon.
alpha. Very good afternoon. So I can then in this setting, you can see import resource. I can use it for only and only for this current project, or I can keep it on shelf. So it will be part of my substance. It will become part of the substance. So it will be always there. So I can do that also. If you do this, it will be always available. Any project you work on, this text will be available, right? So as of
Yes.
now, I'm using current session import. So now if you import this, and if you go here, let's see, where is my cafe? See, cafe is here,
Uh,
right?
yes, sir.
Now it came. Now I want to apply this cafe on this surface. So for this, there are two ways. I can just simply apply this to a you can see color or something. Let's see, I'll show you. If I apply this on a base color, this will be visible everywhere, right? But I don't
Okay.
want it. I don't want it. I want to say it's like or it's based of the on the UV, it's projecting, but I don't want it. I want
Yes.
to paint it here. So I won't use a fill layer. I delete this. I'll use a empty layer. I use a layer which is empty, and on that layer I want to paint it. So I'll click cafe. You can see cafe came here as a brush. If you
Yes.
import it as a alpha, then it will work like this. If you import it as a texture, then you have to manually select this. So now you can see the cafe thing, it's becoming my brush.
Yes.
And I can normal, roughness and metal is not required. Emissive, suppose I want to make it glowing. So whatever you set here, like let's color is slightly off-white. Then height, I'll give little bit height information. Emissive roughness, I'll keep it like roughness. Actually, emissive roughness is not required. And for emissive, I'll make it glowing. Right?
Yes.
Color. I set the color, then I will go wherever I want to apply it and click.
Oh,
See, it's generated. It have height information, color information, all the information. So you can see if I switch off all this thing, nothing will work because it's an empty layer. Whatever is active, it will paint that there directly.
yes.
So like what you have, suppose I in same layer, suppose I want this cafe in red color also, I can go and change the color red and suppose click it again. Oh, emissive is on, sorry, my bad. So emissive I want to switch off. See, same layer,
Yes.
multiple colors. So because it's an empty layer, so it works like Photoshop. You can have multiple colors, but every time before clicking, you have to set the parameters. You have to set the color, you have to set the height, you have to set everything, and then paint it. So suppose I want to paint manually something, so this is how you do it.
Okay. Got it,
like
sir.
like this you can do it. It's like it's not very difficult. Just try it out. If you have facing any issue, get back to me, I'll solve it. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. So like this you can generate this and create. And there are a couple of things in my texture I want. Okay, Shubham, you're supposed to send me your file. What happened to that?
Yes, sir. I'm sending it now, sir.
Yes, you can send me before class, right? So that I can okay download and open everything and do it fast, right?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay, no problem. Like try to send me before class.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I was trying to make a ground, sir, like noisy, like up and down in
You are
PDF
trying
Max.
to make a ground noisy,
Yes,
up
sir.
and down.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
uneven
sir.
surface. Yes.
Uneven surface.
Yes.
Sir, how do I do it in the
How?
cylindrical space?
Okay, how do you do it? Okay, I'll explain that also. We can do it. There are lots of ways. There are lots of ways are there. So you're trying to create basically it's a landscape, and it's that ground is not even. It's uneven, like naturally
Yes,
how
sir.
it supposed to
Yes,
be.
sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So there are two main method. One is you can manually push your model, and there's a one more way. There is a modifier called noise. You can
Yes, sir. I
apply that.
did. I
So
did it, sir, but it did not work.
did not work. Okay,
Yes,
let's see. Let's see. Okay, I haven't received the file yet. Max, I don't know why my Max is so slow.
it's happening for me now.
I like after a couple of update, na, I don't know, like Max become really slow. Like previously it was super fast, and after updating it becomes slow. Some issue,
Yes,
I
sir.
guess.
Yes. I think it's growth.
It will load. Right? Opening. Yeah, finally opened. So you want to do it on a plane, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Like cylindrical, not plane, sir. Cylindrical.
Like cylindrical or like round surface.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Round.
Okay, let's suppose like it's like this. If I create this and convert this into polygon, and sorry, my bad. Select this, Control I, invert, delete on this surface. This is what you meant.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first thing first, on this surface, you need to add polygons. There is not enough polygons here, so I need to add polygons. So I made it little dense, like it's too much fun. But this doesn't look nice, right? So
Yes, sir.
what I'll do is I'll connect it manually, top view. Select these two, connect these two, connect. Because those loops are required, right? Without loops, you cannot create anything. Okay, I added all this.
Yes.
So everything is quad now. Now I'll apply a turbo smooth on this. Turbo smooth to add little extra polygons. Okay, there is a problem. Okay, okay, it's fine only. Turbo, let's apply. So I made it slightly dense. Just give me a second. Ajit, Amazon. So I have made it little dense. So as you can see, now I want to make it like that, like uneven surface. So let's go. There's a noise modifier. You see noise modifier. Applied it and seeds. F4. High quality so that I can see all the shadows and all. So strength I need to add. Why it's not showing anything? So
Yes, sir. I also tried.
now you can see the fractal I switched on. So based on that, you can see,
Okay, sir.
right?
Understood.
This is
Okay,
what you have to do. So based on this, it will generate all the deformation, and then you can control, right? Like this, you can generate, and if you feel if you want to make it a little smoother, you can apply one more turbo. So you can see everything becomes smooth, uneven,
Yes, sir.
right? With this, this is like super easy process. You can apply a noise and make it uneven. Like this, you do it.
Yes, sir.
Shubham sent me a file. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
Sir, my model, I think I have not unwrapped it, sir, till now. I think it will be late. It will be a issue, sir.
Yeah, of course, sure. Array, why you haven't unwrapped it? It's been so long.
No, sir, there are lots of things I have to do, sir. It's becoming more and more.
So yeah, so unwrap it, na? Like why is it? Why like do it?
Sir, if I take it to uh, Unreal Engine, if I do it there, will it be an issue there, sir?
Yes, of course. How will you texture otherwise? Without
This-
unwrapping, how are you going to texture it?
The stones and all, I can add it over there.
Stones and all you can add it over there, but basic model you have to unwrap it, right? Without unwrapping, you cannot do texturing.
Sir, the grasses and all.
Grasses and all, that is something like you can. I showed you initially how to create those plant leaves and everything.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw, sir. You have done it in PDF. back, so then you have
Yes.
look at the two.
So that's how we do it, like that. We have to follow the process because we have to create it. We cannot depend on pre-made thing assets. Industry, it's a sin, it's a issue. If you use pre-made assets without purchasing it, without any license, you will be fired. So you have to create it, everything. Okay, you modeled it. Let's see.
I'm
I'll
so
try to submit it, sir. So sorry, sir.
Okay, let's do it quickly because it's been really long and we have, I guess,
Yes, sir.
only 1 week left. And you can see I have finished everything. So, but
Yes, sir.
I'm there to set whatever your doubts, a problem, issue, I'm there to solve it, help you out. So,
Okay.
like fix those things quickly as much as possible, as soon as possible. Then we do it.
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I was having issue unwrapping the tiles, sir, on the wall.
Oh, once the tiles. Why?
Yes.
What issue you are having?
Sir, while unwrapping, where we relax, it's squeezing it out, sir. Even when I try to peel it or straighten it, sir, the same thing is happening after cutting and all.
Okay, first thing, okay, one thing is you select your model. Okay, why this loop? That day also said, why this loop is here? Tell me, what is the reason?
So, while extruding, sir, I think so that happened.
Yeah, that happened. Something happened, definitely. So you have to clean that. Last time I also said the same thing. Focus on your model and clean it. Unnecessary loops, why it's there? What is the point of having this? Right? Make sure clean it. It's
Yeah.
not doing anything, then why you have to keep it there? Okay, now tiles. Let's see. The tiles, what problem you're
No,
having?
sir, not that one. The on the wall, sir.
This one.
On the left wall, sir.
Left wall, where is tile? This is only left, right?
Yes, sir, that one, sir.
Okay. So select this model, polygon, UV editor. So I can see this, it's here, right? So we have to unwrap this, isolate, so you can see everything clearly. So there is two set of geometry. Okay, there's three geometry basically. So if you're having difficulty apply like unwrapping it, so how you unwrapping? Just tell me that. Like you just opening this, then what you do?
So first, I created a cut, sir, so that I can open it, and
Okay.
then I applied a planer, sir, because the other were not working.
Okay, let's see. I have this model. I select this border. Okay, select this one only. So first I have to open. I create the border. I have to split it, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's do. Select it. Right click. Break it. Separated. Done.
Yes, sir.
Same thing for this one also. Break it. Done. Okay, everything selected. Right click. Break it. So you separated the seam. You have given a seam to open. Then select it. Relax. Done.
Yes,
Why?
sir. I wasn't doing it fully, sir. I was leaving one of the joints, sir. I think so. Because of that, it was doing that, sir.
So like this. That's what you have to solve the problem, like, because you have to do some if there any issue, suppose I am unwrapping it like this, and it's not, you're leaving one joint. Let's see, I'm leaving one joint. Select this, I can see it here, and stitch it here. It's happening something like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Then select it, then you relax it. It's correct, done.
So this much is okay, sir.
Yeah, this is okay only.
Okay, sir.
So it's clean. See, it's clean. And first thing, where before unwrapping, apply a checker map. Without checker map, no unwrapping.
Yes, sir.
Apply this and go to base. Sorry, not this one. Base color. You can see we default checker is there. Apply a default checker or something else. 10 by 10. Or 10 by 10. You can see everything is visible. So if I want to reduce the tiling, let's make it 5 by 5. Or maybe 3 by 3. Yeah. So apply a checker and then unwrap it. So then you select your, you can see base. This is, I guess, the base one. Yeah, see, checker is perfect. It's all clean. If the check like no like how you unwrapping it doesn't matter. If your checkers are without stretch, it's clean. Your unwrap is correct.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see your unwrap is slightly stretchy. That means unwrap is not correct. So what I have to do here, I'll go and select any of the edge, stitch them together, select it, relax, relax it. See, done. This is like, see, it's very simple.
Yes, sir.
So like I don't see you. So like if they suppose you're stuck somewhere, it's not working properly. So do it again. Like it has to be correct. So you have, because you like have to solve the problem. If there is a problem, solve it. Try to solve it. And if not able to do it, I'm there. I'm definitely help you out. But this is like very basic. Like focus on this, unwrap properly. Then model, because it's a very simple basic model. Nothing is there in this model. Those pots you haven't added yet. The barrel and everything is still not there.
Yes, sir. I'm going to add it today, sir, because yesterday there was no power, sir. It was going and
Entire day there was no power.
yes, sir. It was coming and going, sir. And
Okay, yes, I know, like because now those things are there. So whenever you have time, do it, finish it, because we have only 1 week left.
yes, sir.
So do it whenever you have time, do it properly, and then create this thing, because it's still, it's your unwrap model is not finished, your unwrap is not finished, your texturing not even started, and then engine to like it's not even started. So it's like I don't know, like this like so like as quickly you can do it, then we'll see like what can be done, like because you lost a lot of classes. So uh, see, like I'll discuss this in a meeting. So let's see, like we can arrange some extra class or something. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now model looks much cleaner. Let me see.
The gap is still there, sir. I haven't done that one.
It's that wrong. That's wrong. No, you haven't did anything. It's wrong only. Still wrong.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm telling, sir. I haven't done that because I was more focused on wrapping and doing the model, sir.
Arey Baba, how you unwrap? If your model is not correct, how you unwrap? Your entire model is like it's like hardly 1 hour job. It's entire model in 1 hour you can do it. So just boxes. You fix this one, that too also not correctly. And this thing, yesterday I showed this entire model, how to create, how to extrude it from the same mesh. But you like still you can see this is separate, this is separate. then this is wrong. This is not unwrapped. See, if you like, you have to do it, or sit and do it. Fix your model still have problems. Why?
So,
Uh,
because yesterday there was no light, and sir, I was trying to find the video, sir, but I wasn't able to, sir. Is it in the Moodle, sir?
it's not in Moodle, it's in YouTube. I mean, I gave you a link, right? A playlist. I sent a playlist where all the videos uploaded.
No, sir, I haven't received the mail, sir.
Okay, then I'll send you. But all of you have no, right? There's a link in YouTube. All the videos are there.
Yes, sir. Like I
Yes,
got
sir.
it.
Yes, I got it.
So I sent it to entire group. Like everybody. Okay, no problem. I'll say share it once again. No problem. There is an entire channel, entire group where all the videos are there since beginning. Everything is there. All the videos. So I like this is modeling and fix it, because this I can see it's nothing fixed yet. And this is like hardly this entire set. If you want to set properly and want to work on it in 1-2 hours, you should be able to finish it. And this is like for environment, everybody else is doing a big set, you're doing a small set, but do it properly. This is like it's nothing is like this is like finally this thing is like somewhat correct. This also had issue, this is also wrong, this is fine, no problem with this. And then this is just a wall, so the other stuffs are missing. Do it like it, I don't know, like uh, it's really slow and really like problematic. Now it's okay, this time this is clean, last time it was a issue. And you're focusing on unwrap, so what you unwrap, tell me that.
So, the pipes, sir, and the thing you just showed, sir. I was doing that, and I was stuck over there, sir.
Okay, whenever suppose you were working on some one part and you stuck, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
you do, leave that part, move to another part, fix it. Do not waste time. You have to move and finish it. End of the day, like you understand, like today I opened the file, what I see, only this thing is updated. This is a kind of unwrapped, but it's not this tiles are not unwrapped, only the pipes are unwrapped, right? And this all
Yes,
these
sir.
things are same, there is no difference, no UV, nothing. So it's for me, when I see it, it looks like you haven't done anything. I understand you stuck somewhere, it's a problem, so move to another part, do it like progress. You have to do progress, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's like really, and you had a tree also here,
Yes, sir.
so that is also not there. I left view, left view tree. So to create the tree, there are a lot of ways. I can use a spline. This I showed once. Widen it up, then edit poly, apply a taper. My bad, taper. So taper, basically taper the surface. Okay, it's not working properly, no problem. Edit poly, polygon, select the polygon, go to soft selection, switch on it, and then scale it down. Right, so like this, you can create those tapering effect very easily. Like you generate this thing very easily and create all this tapering. Like if you're having issue, you can like definitely work with this. There is one more thing. Just please. Hello. Hello. Fine. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल 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 ओके हाँ हाँ अच्छा मैं क्लास में हूँ मैं आपको 15 मिनट में कॉल करूँ ओके हाँ sorry I got a call from a student. So I can generate this thing like polygon wise, select it and modify. And then if you want to generate one more one more this thing, go to your top view or any other view, create one more line. Generate this same process, edit poly, and first like to reduce the thickness. The branches are usually thin. Then edit poly. Then apply same exact same process. You can see same process for everything. The technique is same. It's just how you use it. It's all about that. Make it thin, perspective, and then place it wherever it's supposed to place. Like this you can generate tree. It won't take much time. It's just matter of like practice. You can create one branch if you want, like if you want you can rotate that branch, scale it down, and create sub branches also. See, and then later I'll delete these sections and attach them together, and then I'll creating a tree also not a very difficult process. So create the base. Once you create the base, then I'll explain how to do it, how to texture it, unwrap it, and everything. Because tree have alpha, so alpha texturing is slightly different from your basic texturing. So like you just finish your modeling, finish this entire model first. You unwrap it properly, then you can block out the tree. Then I'll explain how to create this section, entire thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what, like, is there any doubt, any concern in Unreal or any in your Substance?
No, sir, I haven't touched them yet, sir.
Okay, because I have seen only Prithviraj's file. Devashish also haven't sent me anything, I believe.
Yes, sir. I'll send today. I'll complete the unwrap. Try to complete it today, and I will go to Substance.
Yeah,
Tomorrow I'll show.
okay, so like focus on your work, use this time wisely, make it a nice like a smart like learn something and practice. Because once you learn, because these are basics, if you don't learn it properly it will become difficult in future. Because after this we have environment 2 also, we have other modules also, so it will become bit tricky to achieve it, right? So basic modeling, like first correct your model, UV it properly, otherwise it will going to be a problem. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I would have completed due to my grandmother has passed away.
Mhm.
I got my time became.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, no problem. So now like now you have time, so like use it
Yes,
wisely
sir. Yes,
and try
yes,
to
sir. I'll
finish
complete.
everything. Yeah, complete it. And okay, now let me Mm, okay. So like, because if I start showing advanced this thing, it won't work. Like, you want me to show anything in Max or Substance or anything? Anything you want me to explain, or some modeling issue, some UV issue? If you're having issues in UV, that is also fine. Explain those things.
No, sir, not yet. Sir.
Oh, okay. Just give me a second. Now take the attendance. Uh, this is 1. This is batch 204. Devash is present. Prithviraj is present. Rubin again absent. Okay, updated attendance. So, like, if you're having trouble or issue anything, a model, some issue, until now, unless you show me your model or send me your whatever your issue is facing, send me your file, mail me so I can show it on your model and show those things, right? So until unless you do it, I won't be able to show it. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll see you guys. I guess tomorrow or no, day after tomorrow. I guess. So we'll see you
Yes.
guys. Okay then.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.